I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the timing chain on a BMW 1 Series. First, ensure you have a clear workspace and all your parts ready. This includes a new timing chain, guides, and tensioners. Having the right tools, like a torque wrench and engine locking tools, will make the process much smoother and safer. This approach aims to simplify a complex task, saving you time and effort. Begin by disconnecting the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Safely lift and support your BMW on jack stands. Next, you will need to remove several components, such as the fan shroud, drive belts, and crankshaft pulley, to gain clear access to the timing chain cover. Remember to drain the engine oil and coolant before proceeding with further disassembly. Now, carefully set the engine to its top dead center position using the appropriate locking tools. This critical step ensures correct valve timing. Once aligned, you can remove the timing chain cover, then the old chain, guides, and tensioners. Install the new timing chain kit, making sure all components are correctly seated and torqued to manufacturer specifications for optimal performance. With the new timing chain in place, reassemble all the engine components you removed earlier, ensuring every bolt is tightened correctly. Before starting the engine, manually rotate the crankshaft 2 full revolutions to confirm the timing marks align perfectly. Finally, refill the engine oil and coolant, then start the vehicle. Listen carefully for any unusual noises, indicating a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.